decide. I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes, seeing eyes of mine.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel once again. So today I'm gonna be giving a tutorial of how to create this makeup look, which is very natural and rosy and the filter effect. So guys, if you are someone who do not like to put a lot of makeup and flaunt your natural skin, this is it for you. It's so delicate, it's so natural and rosy and beautiful and so skin like. So yeah, let's just start with the video. So guys, I have applied nothing on my face, not even moisturizer. I just washed my face and just sit here. So to prep my skin, I'm going to be using the Good Vibes face serum. This is rose hip face serum. And I'm not going to be using any primer now because I want very dewy and juicy skin to start from. So that's why I'm using this serum. And it works as a primer as well, like it can give a barrier to the face before makeup. So just applying it all over my face. So this will gonna give some hydration to my face, also some dewiness. So I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal foundation, and it has a dewy finish. So it is good. Make sure to use very less foundation because we want natural skin, natural face. So I'm just blending this using a brush, but it is way better if you blend this foundation using a beauty blender. Beauty blender gives more natural finish than the brush, but because I have to cover these things, so I will use a brush. So as you can see, brush gives more full coverage. Guys, the foundation is done, but tiny bit of acne scarring is peeking through, but that's completely fine. It doesn't matter to me a lot. So after that, I'm just going to be setting my under eye area only, because it creases a lot. My under eye actually creases a lot. So just take tiny powder and okay, started creasing already. So after you remove all the creasiness, just apply tiny bit of powder only to the under eyes. Yes, so for my eyes, I'm not going to be using any eyeshadow or something. So guys, make sure to stick with more creamy or liquid products and stay away from powder as much as you could. So I'm going to be using this Sugar Illuminator moisturizer. So it is an illuminating moisturizer, but I don't use it like that. I use this as illuminator only. So I'll take a very tiny bit to my fingers like this and apply to my eyes. So as you can see, it gives a very shine to the eyes. So guys, this is in the golden color, but it's available in many colors like peach or something. So guys, just tap this product and do not rub it, otherwise it will budge. So just tap it and we will come back to the eyes later on. Kajal, I'm going to be using a nude kajal. This is from Color Icon, and you can use nude or brown, stay away from black. And just applying to a waterline. As you can see, it brightens up my eyes instantly. And I'm not going to be using any eyeliner because keeping it very soft. So I will just curl my lash and apply a huge coat of mascara. This is the Maybelline the Hyper Curl waterproof mascara, and it is a beautiful mascara. Can you see the difference? My both eyes. Coming to my face, I will not use any contouring product because I want to keep it a little natural side. So I will take this lipstick. This is the Nykaa lipstick and it's in the shade, I don't know, I will just mention. So I'll take this lipstick and apply some, take some lipstick at the bottom of my hand, at the back of my hand, sorry. So I'll take some like this, and what I'm gonna be do is it's a good hat actually. So I will take, you can take either lip balm or any liquidy kind of a thing. I will take the facial serum that I have used earlier. So I'll take very tiny drop of it, one single tiny drop. When you mix the two, it covers into a tint. So as you can see, it's looking very dark, I know, but like it works great as a tint. So yeah, it's slightly sticky, it's okay. So just apply it to your cheek. You can apply some to your nose, depends, and your chin, depends, and just blend it out. So you can blend using your fingers, or you can use a brush. As you can see, it looks like that you are blushing within. So now I'll take the same that is remaining product and apply it to my lips, and it looks very natural. Nobody can actually tell that you are wearing lipstick. Also, this is completely optional, but you can use this product to your eyelids as well. Just make sure to take very few. If you want to skip it, you can totally skip it. Guys, you can just leave it just like this, but this is completely optional. If you want more glow, you can take a liquid highlighter and any color you like. So it's completely optional. ऐसे ही बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, but थोड़ा सा और अगर ग्लो ऐड करना है तो बहुत tiny सा you can apply it. So yeah, and just blend using your fingers, and this is so pigmented. So yeah, tiny bit of highlighter, blend this very nicely. Lastly, because we have applied the lipstick like this, like just dab it, so we don't have any lip shape or lip line going on. To make that, you can use a lip liner and just very slightly line your lips. Make sure it's the same color of your lips, and just line it. When you apply the lip liner, just blend it slightly, and you guys, you are done now. Guys, so that's it for the video. I hope you guys liked it and enjoy and learn something from it. So if you want more tutorials, please subscribe to my channel, and yeah, hit the bell notification. Also, I shall see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.